Hey, hey, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. This is another episode of Ink on Paper. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. This is my planner segment in Bree's Project Book, and welcome to the second video. Today, we will be doing a plan with me in the month of July. I'm so excited because July is my birthday month, and I am so excited to decorate it with you today. So I am going to show you some of the sticker books that I've been using, and this is a classic planner. If you guys have not seen my last video, I will link that right up there. It will show you how I set up my classic happy planner. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and open this up and get started with our July monthly plan with me. So what I've done is I put post-it notes on here on dates that I need to remember, and I'm going to go ahead and pull those off and put them on to the side so I can reference back later. So we're going to tape these pages down, and then we're going to use some wax paper and layer it over our monthly calendar so we can position our stickers on here, and it also takes some of the stickiness away. So if I do make a mistake and place a sticker somewhere that I'm not sure about, I can easily lift it up. So we'll be using our pre-planned sheet for July. This makes it so much easier that I can go ahead and transfer these items onto my monthly. We have meal planning on here. We also have planning a party, things that I need to get. So we are going to get started with some sticker books. I also have a little kit here that I put together, but we'll do that later. We're going to start with this memory keeping happy planner book, and then we have a black and white happy planner sticker book. Not lastly, we have our journaling doodle sticker book, and then we have our handwriting or word sticker book from Caliber Plan. And I put together this little kit here to make planning this monthly pretty easy, and I pulled all the stickers from those books on this little sheet. So we're going to get started with this nice patriotic banner, and then we're going to start pulling stickers from our sticker card. So I decided to use this side banner for events on the side here, and also a task list, but I also wanted to use a large sticker down at the bottom that says wonderful days ahead. Now we're not going to put all the stickers on this wax paper. I just want to hurry up and get it started by placing some of the bigger stickers on here, so I know where I want to place it. Just like I'm not sure about this 4th of July on top of here. I think I'm going to change that. So we're going to remove that 4th of July sticker, and we're going to place that somewhere else. We have quite a few things that's going on in July that I need to transfer over to my monthly. So to keep it from getting too full, and I decided not to put every little thing. I do use color coding for filming and Instagram scheduling and things in that nature in here to keep it minimal because I do like to decorate, and this is such a busy month. I didn't want it to look overstated. Okay, so we're going to get started by taking some of the stickers off and transferring over to the planner. We're going to start by the sidebar again, and we're going to take this sidebar sticker and pull it off as the whole to make it easier once I get it lined up. So I decided to use some leftover sticker papers as scrap to cover up this element that's on the planner. So we're going to go ahead and cut this down to size, stick it on here, and we can use this space for something else. So there's going to be plenty of white space for me to put down decor elements on my planner. So we're going to take some of these decor squares or double squares. We're going to place these here and there on the planner, not a lot, maybe just 3 of them, and just fill in some of that empty white space. So we're going to add some balloons, and we're going to layer it on top of that decor double square to mark a birthday. We also marked the 3rd for a book club meeting that this sticker has in the journal doodling. I think it's so cute with the glasses sitting on a stack of books. I thought that was a perfect decor sticker for my book club meeting. Today's PWM is dedicated to our country's independence. If you're not from the U.S., July 4th is our Independence Day, and we celebrate that as a holiday in the U.S. And I will be decorating this plan with me in red, white, and blue. So it's time to add my headers. So we add 1 black and white header on my birthday date, and we also adding 2 star headers, one on the 10th and one on the 12th. These 2 dates is just to remind me that we have a couple of events that we are planning on attending for the month of July. So we have a few more stickers on the wax paper that we're going to use, and these are headers that I plan on layering inside these decor boxes, but I'm thinking they might get lost in there because they're so small, but we're going to try it. And yeah, it's just as I guess it would look lost inside these decor boxes. So I'm thinking we need something a little bit bigger and a little bit more space to write in. So we're going to go in our little black and white sticker box and get out some full box, maybe a 3/4 box and a half box to see how it would work. And I'm thinking that 1/4 box or the 3/4 box might do the trick, and I like that better. So we're going to do this half box and we'll do a 3/4 box for the remainder of the decor boxes. So instead of just sticking the boxes on top of the star header, I'm thinking I'm going to lift the bottom of the star header and place the box under it and have the star header layered on top of it. I think it looks much better. Using a Staedtler black marker, I decided to add a drawing element on 3 vertical boxes. So we are drawing a flagpole to add to the patriotic theme. The flag sticker I created myself in Canva, and it fits nicely on the flagpole. So we have a few stickers left on my sticker card, and I'm going to grab these 2 flag icons for the sidebar and for on the second to write the calendar numbers on. So now it's time to take the rest of the stickers and place them on my calendar. We are going to mark the paydays here, and we're going to circle some of the dates on here for my YouTube scheduling and my IG scheduling. And I normally color code those, so we would do that on my after the pen. We're going to use the rest of these script stickers. We have movie night on the 10th, and we're going to put birthday sticker on the sidebar. This technique helps when I'm using a lot of color or a lot of decor elements on my calendar, and those little calendar numbers get lost in the decor. So I like to use flags or darken or enlarge those numbers so they can easily stand out. So the last couple of things I'm going to add here, the grand finale, so to speak, is one large sticker that I'm going to put down here on the right-hand corner. It is a crowd of people that I drew and cut out on my Cricut machine, and I think it really gives it a final, put the story together and finalize it. So they are looking out in the night, and we're going to use the Staedtler pens to draw fireworks. Simple dots of color with our Staedtler pen in red, black, and blue. And this is an easy way to create fireworks. I decided to remove that ice cream day sticker. July is also the month for ice cream, and I took it off because it just didn't look right. I'm going to add some more fireworks here on top of that patriotic banner, and I think that will be a better topper for this. It looks like a firecracker. I also moved the 4th of July sticker a little bit on the flag so it layers a little bit, and it's like one large sticker and it tells the story. And I think that's it. We're going to place this inside our planner, and that will do it, guys. Thank you for joining me today. This is Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertainment. My name is Bree from Bree's Project Book. Happy planning, and I'll see you next time.